The sun rises over the valley. Another peaceful morning for Rocky, the red golden retriever, guardian of the farm.
Like every morning, Rocky begins his patrol, watching, listening, protecting.
But something feels off. The air is still, and the flock sounds different. One of the lambs is gone. Rocky lowers his nose to the ground. The search begins.
He follows the scent into the dark forest beyond the farm. Rain begins to fall. The forest turns slippery and cold.
Then he hears it, a faint bleat echoing through the woods.
The lamb bleats in fear. Rocky must act fast.
With one final pull, the lamb is free.
Carefully, he guides the frightened lamb back toward the light.
Down the silvers. Step by step, they return across the wet fields.
And the farmer sees them in the distance, safe and sound.
Rocky watches as the lamb reunites with its mother. In the hush of the barn, under lantern light, they breathe together, safe and warm.
No cheers, no medals, just quiet pride in a job well done.
As the stars appear, the farm rests, safe once more.
He's more than a dog. He's the farm's guardian, and its heart.